Okay, so Samsung recently launched the Galaxy Z Fold 5. You might be thinking, well, it has IPX8 rating, but does that mean it's waterproof? Well, let me tell you. The IP68 rating you see on the Galaxy S23 Ultra or S23 series is different from the IPX8 rating. The IP68 rating is a measure of a device's ability to resist the ingress of water and dust. The first digit of it actually refers to the protection against solid objects like dust, and the second digit refers to the level of protection against liquid. In the case of IPX8 rating, there is a second digit, but there is no first digit, it's X, and that simply means it really doesn't even have any kind of protection against dust. And IP68 usually means that device is completely dust tight and can withstand being submerged in water up to a certain depth, usually 1.5 meters, but certain companies can claim even more. In the case of Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, it's 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes. So that simply means the Z Fold 5 has the same kind of water resistance capabilities as the Galaxy S23 Ultra. But then again, also to keep that in mind, we are talking about only fresh water here. If you're considering liquid means chemical or even salt water or even hot water like sauna water or something like that for a longer period of time, those things actually can damage the device easily. So definitely it's safe to use the Galaxy Z Fold 5 in light rain or around water or such as like pool or beach. However, it's also important to note that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is not completely waterproof. And Samsung even recommends you to avoid exposing your Galaxy Z Fold 5 to water with high water pressure, such as like showerhead or something like that. Now, as for sand, can you take it to the beach? Well, you surely can, but the sand can actually get inside the device and can scratch the device's screen or other parts because the screen is actually really soft. Also, this can damage the device's hinge, so keep that in mind. But that does mean the dust inside your pocket or something like that might kill the device because Samsung has worked on the hinge a lot to provide certain kind of dust resistant capability to it, but it doesn't have an IP rating for that. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you really care about the IPX8 rating when buying foldable devices? And yes, if you want, you can get some crazy cool wallpapers up on my website, a link down below. Until the next one, bye and take care.